So let's again begin.
Hello Seattle, I am Amanda Ray. Deep beneath the blue waves, I'll crawl the sandy bottom of Puget Sound and construct a summer home. Hello Seattle, I am the crescent moon shining down on your face. I will disguise myself as a sleeping pill and descend inside of you. Hello Seattle, I am a cold seahorse, feeling warm in your sand, racing about the tide and the ocean surf, rolling in the evening breeze. Hello Seattle, I am an albatross on the docks and moored boats. I sail above your inlets and interstates through the rain and open wind. Hello Seattle, I am an old lighthouse.
Everyone, to the great one-bar event at the 2012 Petron LPG Dealers Convention.
Yo, mucha gasolina en el verano a los locks de 1107.7. Súbelo que esto es barrio fino.
Súmale mambo pa' que mi gata prenda los motores. Súmale mambo pa' que mi gata prenda los motores. Súmale mambo pa' que mi gata prenda los motores. Que se preparen que lo que viene pa' que le den duro. Mamita, yo sé que tú no te me vas a quitar duro. Lo que me gusta es que tú te dejas llevar duro. Todos los weekends ella sale a vacilar duro. Mi gata no para de janguear porque ella le gusta la gasolina.
Dame más gasolina,
Le encanta la gasolina.
dame más gasolina,
Ella le gusta la gasolina.
dame más gasolina,
Le encanta la gasolina.
dame más gasolina.
Ella prende la turbina. No se pierde en un party de marquesina. Se acicala hasta pa' la esquina. Luce también que hasta la sombra le combina. Asesina, me domina.
Of course, no, first, I will recognize yung mga VIPs nyo for tonight. The Director Naidi Munsada of DOE Oil Industry Management Bureau, Mr. Archie Gupalor, Petron Vice President for National Sales, Tony Santos, AVP for Industrial Trade, Mr. Ading Kapko, President of Petron LPG Dealers Association, and Mr. Conrad Rivera, the General Manager of LPG Trade, Ray Yu, the General Manager of Luby Trade, and of course the member of the dealers of the Petron LPG. So welcome to Boracay.
Súmale mambo pa' que mi gata prenda los motores. Súmale mambo pa' que mi gata prenda los motores. Súmale mambo pa' que mi gata prenda los motores. Que se preparen que lo que viene es pa' que le den duro.
I would like to congratulate our LPG dealers for their loyalty and dedication. You have made Quezon and Fiesta Gas the most trusted LPG brands in the country. We are indeed numero uno.
Hindi na po 39.5% ang market share ng Petron LPG. Kaya, Mr. Gopalor, outdated na po yung pinakita nyo, 39.5. Ang first quarter po natin sa 2012 ay almost 41% na po.
But let me start by congratulating each one of you, yung dealer associations, and of course Petron for this event. Ang ganda ng venue, no?
You dare to be different? The 5 questions. I hope it's a yes. Do you care enough to admit? Are you aware of your calling? More and more, I hope. Do you prepare well for battle? As the world has changed, I hope so should you. Will you fare well till the end? I wish you not just the good life, but the great life. May you be one.
Oh, this has gotta be the good life. This has gotta be the good life. This could really be a good life, good life. I say, oh, this feeling that you can't find. The city is on fire tonight. This could really be a good life, a good, good life. Oh yeah, a good, good life, good life. Listen, to my friends in New York, I say hello. My friends in LA, they don't know where I've been for the past few years or so. Paris to China to Colorado.
At nakikita ko po, hindi lamang tayo, mananagdagan pa tayo. Baka kayo tingin sa planta na pagkatapos nito. Thank you for that, and God bless you all.